Hello, my dear fourth class children. A very good morning to each and everyone. Welcome back to our social class. Children, today we are going to discuss about the let's begin, let's try one and let's try two. I hope everyone will watch this and complete your book number 5. Understood, children? Okay, let's start with let's begin. So, in the let's begin, let's begin. Some images are given in the let's begin. By seeing, see children, these images. So you should identify the images and you should write the sentence or words given below. Understood? Okay, the first one is, so what is the picture? The first picture is men with weapons. Men with weapons. Men with weapons. And the second one is hunting scene. Hunting scene. And the third one is stone pot. Stone pot. Understood, children? By watching this video, you should complete the let's begin. Understood? Then we move on to the let's try one. Let's try one. Let's try one. So in the let's try one, answer the following questions in your notebook. Okay, anyhow we gave the space in the textbook. You can fill the answers in the textbook itself. Understood? So what is the first question? What do you think early human used fire for? Already we discussed in the Zoom class. Again I am telling who absent for the Zoom class. Understood? So the answer is to warm during the cold. So why the fire is useful to the early humans? To warm during cold weather. Cold weather. And for keeping wild animals away. And for keeping wild animals away. So already we discussed, no, when the wild animals see the fire, they afraid of the fire and they will run. Understood? Okay. Then the next question is, do you think cooked food tasted better? Yes or no, and how? This question also we discussed in the Zoom class. But no one answered this question. Okay, I am writing on the board. Please watch the video and copy the answer in your book 5. Smart book 5. Okay, the cooked food would have tasted better. Cooked food would have tasted better as after cooking flesh become, here flesh means they hunt the animals, no, wow, early humans. So become softer, tender, and easier to chew. And easier to chew. Chew means you chew with your teeth, no? Okay. So these are the let's try one. Then we move on to the let's try two. Let's try 2. So here also they gave the questions for you. Let's try to the first answer. Did early humans enjoy moving from one place to another? No, they didn't enjoy. No. Okay, the second one. How did farming make early human decide to settle in one place? So he decided. He means here early human. He decided to settle in one place. To settle in one place because he needed to he means here who he means early human. He needed to take plants he had grown. So already they learn how to do farming, no? So they want to settle in one place because they has to take care of the plants. Then the third one, why did early humans realize that it was essential to live close to a water resources? Water resources mean it may be lake, river, sea, ocean or a pond. Because for watering the plants and for drinking washing and cleaning. That's why they want to live near the water sources. Okay, then we move on to the fourth one. Do you think early humans still needed to hunt even though they had started farming? Yes. And the fifth one, why do you think so? Because he needed food. Because he means who here? Early human needed food to feed himself while the crops ripened. Ripened means it can grow nicely. Ripened. Okay, children. So these are the. Let's begin. Let's try one and let's try. So this is the. Let's try. Let's begin. So the first one is men with weapons, antique scene and the stone pot. And then we move on to the let's try one. See, this is the let's try one. So the first answer, to warm during cold weather and for keeping wild animals away. And the second one is cooked food would have tasted better as after cooking flesh became softer, tender and easier to chew. And the let's try two. The first is no and the second is he decided to settle in one place because he needed to take care of plants he had grown. He means early human. And then we move on to the third one. So in the let's try to, the third one is because for watering the plants and for drinking, washing and cleaning Okay, then the fourth one is S, and the fifth one is because he needed food to feed himself while the crops ripened. Okay, okay children, I hope you understand all about this. Let's begin. Let's try one and let's try two. So watch the video and complete these three exercises. Thank you.